knock yourself out, man.
I'm here at the cruise ship. I
Hello.
can't see the name.
Hello.
What are you doing? Hey!
I'm trying.
San Juan Airport. The Uber is in column 19 and 20. So Uber ride from the airport to the cruise port is about 20 bucks. If you take a taxi, it's about $30 to $40. Hi, Victor. What is that?
Maybe we got gypped.
Something else. Virgin.
Valiant lady. Oh, it's a Virgin.
That's Virgin.
I'm glad. Guess we're on the wrong cruise port. It's not her fault. We still got time. I mean, the boat's not leaving till 7.
Not until 7. Royal Caribbean ports at Old San Juan. Virgin ports at Isla Verde. So, check your port. Feliz Dia de Reyes. San Juan. That traffic right there is not moving. And they have this portion closed. And so everyone is just having a hard time trying to get to the port. Puerto Rico. Stand behind the luggage to the ship. But we're still going through customs, so we can't take a photo of that or anything.
You have the boarding pass?
I do.
Adam, and I'm missing one boarding pass. And Reyna and I. Have a nice trip back.
First look, the ship. You found it. Yay.
Excellent job.
Hold on. I have to fit my backpack, turn around and get here. Bum.
But best of all, which I opened this door, is gonna be our balcony. Look at that concert over there. You see her camera that she has on? It's an Action Pro 5 around her. You see the casino on the other side.
Oh, I see it. You see it? It's right across, right there.
It's on level 6, one level down from where we're at, which is very dangerous.
Actually, yes. Very close to our room.
The volume up. Ray says volume up. Hold on. Can you hear us now? Better? Yeah. Alright. Cool. So here we go. So Casino Royale.
Yeah.
Oh man, are we gonna be excited to play?
Let's see what games they have.
Yes. It looks like they have a lot of old games.
That's good.
That is good. Okay, comparison to Royal or to Carnival, they didn't have a lot of old games like this, like 3 Reels.
What? Not all Carnival, just the Carnival. Which one were we in?
Conquest.
Conquest. Yes. Ah, look at this.
You played it for real money?
Yes. I think you have to play this with with credits. No, yeah, 25 cents. Quarters.
They don't have this. They don't have this on land. Not on land. None of this stuff on land. Hi, Dad. My dad's watching. Cool. So we're walking through the casino first. Whiskey slots. Thank you for the donation. We appreciate it.
Oh, cool.
Thank you.
More to play with. Platinum.
Oh, I should have bought the dice. So we could roll some dice. And they got. These are the. What is it? The power wheel games.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to go so close so you can see more of the casino. And this game is called Temporarily Unavailable.
7 days trapped on a ship together, so
I've definitely not for 3 We have some fellow craps players. Oh, man.
Oh,
Sorry,
here
I'm
we
live
go.
streaming right now.
Rob, Gary.
Gary, I'm Adam.
Adam, nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Hi.
Ichi. Yeah,
Nice to
yeah,
meet
man,
you.
we were just practicing some dice. Man.
Oh, there you go.
You want to throw a couple?
Yeah, can I?
There you go. Here you go, man. Help yourself.
Left stick one is my position. Hold on,
Go,
I'll
knock
put this
yourself
right
out,
now.
man. Left, I'm usually
Left
stick two.
Your left stick too?
Yeah, I usually stick two, or I'm over in the corner.
Let me turn this around this way.
Yeah, man.
I'm here at the cruise ship. Even if you are on port or you have their fastest Wi-Fi, sometimes it just doesn't work. Hello, I can't see.
There.
I
Hello.
can't see the name.
Hello.
Hello. Good
Hello,
to
hello.
see you too, Don Terry. Anyway, we have 59 folks watching. When we started this live, we mentioned that we were going to talk about how we got this $272 all in for 2 people cruise. What are you doing?
Getting ready to do our
Second live stream.
Look at you though.
Hey!
Oh, look at me. I got new shoes.
So we decided to live stream the sail away party to see what the difference is between Carnival Conquest and Jewel of the Sea Sail Away. Yes.
I'm gonna go live now.
Yeah.
Hi. Hopefully it's working.
Well, if nobody watches now on the live stream, maybe they'll watch on the non-live stream.
Let's see.
But I still want to see it for myself. I lost him, and he's holding a phone and everything. I have no idea how I lost him.
I'm trying. We're trying.
Let's go see. Number 2. And I'm grabbing also a red velvet whoopie pie.
Whoopie? Is that what it's called?
Yeah, a red velvet whoopie pie. Here we go. So next cruise booking,
Here it is. 400 points.
400 points, $100 off on an interior stateroom. Or if you get 600 points, you get $200 off on an interior guarantee stateroom. 1,200 points for 300 off, 1,500 points for free.
So 1500 up is free.
Yes, interior or up to balcony guaranteed.
Alright.
And then 100 free play.
And then the free play added to junior suites, 15,000, 25,000. Okay, so let's see if we can get 1,500 points.
1,500 is our goal.
Okay.
Yes,
All
sound
right.
good. So this show is only available on the first day. We are gonna see it.
But it won't mean nothing.
get some water.
With our carnival cup.
You have the key?
Yeah.
It's 8 p.m. our time in the Bay Area.
Going up.
Going up 11.
Today is Sunday.
It's right there on the floor. It is humid out here. Feels great.
Yeah.
Solarium. He says you can't do bottles here.
It's not a bottle.
It's a cup. What is this? Water?
Water? Tropical mango? I don't know. Oh, that's good. Tropical mango is so good.
Oh,
You like it?
I do.
2 pepperoni. Oh, is that a combo?
Yes, you wanna try?
Yes, one combo, one.
It's
Perfect.
has bacon, bell peppers, and onions.
Nice, thank you.
I'll have the same combo, please.
Just one or two?
One each.
One and one.
Yeah, there's no pepperoni in that one. Do you have any more? Yeah, thank you. Is it chili pepper or is it?
Pepper flakes.
There you have it.
Thank you. All right. Midnight snack.